निमसेट एक एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम जो रास्ता है इंडिया के टॉप NITs में एडमिशन लेने का। हर साल 25,000 से 30,000 स्टूडेंट्स इस कॉलेज में एडमिशन के लिए फ़ाइट करते हैं, जिसमें से सिर्फ 805 स्टूडेंट्स का एडमिशन होता है। और इसके लिए तुम्हें स्कोर करना होता है 400 प्लस आउट ऑफ 1000। तो इस वीडियो में आपको ये बताऊंगा कि अगर मैं 2024 में निमसेट एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन करता तो मैं कैसे करता। For the first week, before directly jumping to preparation, I will spend time on analyzing my level of preparation, and for that I would start with solving the previous year papers. While solving these previous year paper, I'll mark all those topics or the questions which I found tough, or maybe I found that it's easy to understand. Now that I have analyzed my level of preparation, I will write all the strong topics and the weak topics. The total time that I have is from June 2024 to June 2025. From the month of June to December, I will spend on gaining the knowledge, making notes, and from January to May, I will spend on reasoning, computers, English, and practicing the mock test paper. We'll make a small plan of in which month which topic I'm going to cover and how much. My learning schedule will be from 9 to 5 with 12 to 1:30 as lunch break and nap. The first 5 minutes I will spend on what topic I would learn today. Once I have decided that, I would spend 15 minutes on recalling what I have learned yesterday. And the next 10 minutes, if I have forgotten anything, would revise immediately. Now that my first 30 minutes are spent wisely, I'll spend the next 30 minutes on knowing about the topic. After that, I will take a 5 minutes break, and that 5 minutes break will not be on phone but stretching, drinking water, taking a deep breath, or maybe meditating. We'll come back again from 10:15 to 11:15. Would start from easy, medium, hard, and will solve as much questions as I can. We'll take 5 to 10 minutes break, and during that break we'll reflect my speed and how much questions I was able to solve. 11:30 to 12, I'll make notes of the formulas or anything that I want to, or maybe I'll solve some more questions if I want to. After that 12, I will have my lunch. After that I will have some nap. From 1:30 to 5, I'll sit again to solve questions or make notes. After 5, I'll take break from study. Apart from that, I will also make some time after 5:30 to work out, to have some time with myself. I would spend some time on the nature, peace, and just to be in peaceful state and not get distracted by anything. If I want to listen to music, I would listen to instrumental music. And if I get the urge to watch the videos, instead of listening to motivational videos, I'll look into something that is really logical. Before going to bed, I will recall once everything that I have learned. I will repeat the same schedule for the next 12 months until I take my exam and get the selection. And after working so hard, and if I followed this schedule with all the discipline and dedication, I am very much sure that I will be able to score good rank in my exam.